Hi mamas, welcome back to Little Bites Kitchen, your go-to place for healthy homemade baby food. Today, we're preparing a full day of meals for your 8-month-old breakfast, lunch, and dinner. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe so you never miss our baby-friendly recipes. Breakfast: barley porridge with steamed pear. Ingredients: barley flour 20 g, pear 40 g or steamed, water 80 ml. Steam the pear until soft. Mix barley flour with water in a small pot. Cook on low heat until smooth. Mash the pear and mix it into the porridge. Tell me in the comments where's you watching today. I'd love to know. Mash the pear. Mix it into the porridge. This porridge is full of goodness. Barley gives your baby fiber and iron, while pear provides vitamin C for healthy growth. Add breast milk or formula for creaminess. Serve warm and always check the temperature before feeding your baby. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe so you never miss our baby-friendly recipes. You can offer about 3 to 4 tablespoons for breakfast, or just based on your baby's appetite. Lunch: chicken and vegetable stew. Ingredients: chicken breast 25 grams, zucchini 30 g, carrot 20 g, onion 10 g. Olive oil 1 tsp or 5 ml. Cook chicken with vegetables in a little water until tender. Mash or blend lightly for an 8-month-old texture. Add 1 tsp olive oil or healthy fats. From this stew, your little one gets protein and iron from the chicken, vitamin A from the carrot, and zinc to support strong immunity. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe so you never miss our baby-friendly recipes. Serve around 1/4 to 1/2 small bowl of this stew. Dinner carrot and potato mash visual. Ingredients: carrot 30g, potato 40g. Steam carrot and potato together until soft. Mash thoroughly to a smooth texture. This simple mash is packed with nutrients: carrot for vitamin A and potato for potassium, helping your baby grow healthy and strong. Dinner is simple, nutritious, and easy to digest before bedtime. And that's a full day of meals for your 8-month-old. Don't forget to check our playlists for 6-month and 7-month meal plans to perfect to follow as your baby grows. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share, and subscribe to Little Bites Kitchen. Comment below which meal your baby loved the most and hit the bell icon to never miss a tasty bite.